I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that thing. Pictures on my line, and you know.
Rain. Rain is a natural phenomenon that occurs when clouds drop the water droplets onto the earth within a certain period of time, which is usually accompanied by wind and lightning. The water that collects into a cloud will fall to the surface of the earth when the clouds are no longer able to hold the amount of water mass. Rain that lasts for a long period of time can cause natural disasters on the surface of the earth that have imperfect water absorption, such as floods and landslides. The fall of rainwater to the earth through a long process. The process of forming rain through the stage of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation.
The first stage that is passed is evaporation, namely the process of evaporation of water. The heat of the Earth's temperature from the sun will make rivers, lakes, and seawater evaporate into droplets or water vapor. The water vapor rises into the atmosphere and forms clouds. The sun's heat energy makes the water in the seas, rivers, lakes, and many water sources on the Earth's surface evaporate. The higher the sun's heat, the more water will evaporate and rise into the Earth's atmosphere.
The second stage is condensation. Water vapor resulting from the evaporation or evaporation process will rise to the atmosphere, then experience condensation or condensation. In this process, water vapor will turn into very small ice particle. Ice particle formed by water vapor will approach each other, then form white lumps which are commonly called clouds. In the condensation process, the higher the clouds are formed, the colder the temperature will be. Water vapor will rise to the top because it is exposed to heat from the sun. After the water vapor rises high enough, condensation occurs, which turns into water droplets.
The last stage is precipitation. Clouds that are too dense with water vapor and can no longer hold the weight of the water will fall to land, then become raindrops. The position of the rain is very high and the air where the clouds are is very cold. Usually the rain will fall as snow or ice. Getting closer to the mainland, the ice will melt into rain. Getting closer to the mainland, the temperature will be warmer, then melt the ice spots.
There is rain that is very dangerous for plants, animals, marine plants, and soil, namely acid rain. Acid rain is a cloud that consists of clumps of water vapor and contains other particles such as dust, salt, smoke, and pollutants. If the cloud contains sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide compounds, then the two substances interact with water. It will become acid rain. Conditions that can cause these two substances to increase include volcanic eruption and smoke from burning fossil fuels. Because acid rain is dangerous, it is best to limit the use of fossil fuels and focus on more sustainable sources of energy such as solar and wind power.
Bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block,